very, Ajit fandom ki unde anta
మూవీ కాదండి.
yeah, so mass scenes ఏం లేవు. It was just mid
నో
classic.
ఎలివేషన్, నో హీరో ఎలివేషన్స్ అలా ఏం లేవు.
Yeah, అక్కడ second half you will get few high moments if you are a fan of Ajit. But other than that, it's just made like a normal Hollywood movie. Mass scenes laga, masala nothing ఏం లేదు. It was clean and neat. You can watch it in OTT as well and wait to watch it as one thing.
మూవీలో హైలైట్ అయినట్టు ఏమంటారు? మూవీలో హైలైట్ అయినట్టు అంట త్రిష గారి యాక్టింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంది? తెలిసి
Arjun. Arjun sir, as usual, very என்ன ஸ்டோரி எனக்கு லைக் ஸ்டோரி சொல்லிட்டா அப்புறம் படம் இல்ல ஸ்டோரி ஃபுல்லா சொல்றாங்க. சொன்ன மாதிரி இட்ஸ் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் லவ். ஓகே தி பேஸ் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் ஆக்ஷன் தட்ஸ் இட். kind of second half full action. So any favorite movie or background for party எப்படி இருக்கு? I did say the movie, yes. So இது தமிழ்ல பேசு, I mean தமிழ்ல தான் இல்ல அந்த promotions and response அத பத்தி ஐடியா இல்ல. Not sure. But here as a hero, like why no promotions or anything here? Not even in town. Okay.
Trisha and Tala Ajit combination, bro.
So can't even much more celebrate. So expectations పెట్టుకుంటే you will be feeling celebrate.
So for Ajit fans it's not like a Tala
yeah, so మీరు అజిత్ ఒక పెద్ద స్టార్ ని చూడకుండా if you go to the movie, like a movie as a new movie and అంటే you can feel better. Like expectation తో వెళ్ళి సెలబ్రేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే you might feel a little
Say in one more, bro. Movie about
average. Okay. Family audience to watch it. And the villain characterization, sir. Villain.
the relation between the Trisha and
yeah, that is very good. So అది చాలా బాగా చూపించారు. Yes, it's a very good movie. You can watch it.
Okay, thank you.
తెలుగు సరిగా రావట్లేదు.
There are a lot of movies together. ఇది కూడా బాగానే ఉంది. So what to hold that relationship or no. You can go to any street for relationship.
How is songs, bro?
Songs, bro. First off, and action facts.
Okay.
Yeah, but say loud, bro.
ఏంటి అనుకుంటారు కదా అజిత్ గారు ఒక సార్ సంటు కూడా
Accidents are all original. Okay. Yeah, but as I said, it could have been a little bit less screen time.